Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have some really exciting news. We have new clearance markdowns and hundreds of penny items to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event, and I did upload a video yesterday talking about some new deals, coupon matchups, and we have some money makers, so make sure that you go and check that out if you haven't already. Also, please do not skip through the videos, guys. The deals are in the details, and while I do include a lot of the details on the slides and in the pictures, a lot of times you're missing little tiny tidbits that will make or break your deals. So please watch the videos all the way through and help me help you. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at the new clearance markdowns, because we have a lot going on at Dollar General this week. So first up, we have the summer picnic category going down to 10% off starting on Tuesday, September the 5th. We also have the swim and summer pink square items going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday, September the 5th. And keep in mind that this does exclude the chalk and bubbles. Next up, we have our spring and summer stationery category going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday, September the 5th. Now, with this one, I know it says stationery, but I believe that this is actually the spring and summer party supplies. Now, I haven't spotted any at my store, so if anybody has pictures that they want to share, please send those in to my email. It's crazycoupons1@gmail.com. All right, next up, we have sun care going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday, September the 5th. All right, next up, we have the freezer bars going down to 25% off. Now, I'm assuming that these are the ones that did not follow our summer barbecue category. So those are still sitting at full price. They will drop down to 25% off starting on Tuesday. Next up, we also have our swim diapers going down to 25% off. All right, finally, we have our patriotic party going down to 25% off. And I've been wondering about this one because, man, my store has a lot of that stuff left. And then our last 25% off category, we have our summer insect items. All right, next up we have lawn and garden going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, this was a little bit of a surprise because I figured it would go to 25% off first and then 50%, but who knows with Dollar General. So 50% off starting on Tuesday, lawn and garden. We also have the Green Star apparel, shoes, and accessories going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. And going right along with it, we also have the Yellow Dot apparel, shoes, and accessories going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, this does exclude the flip-flops. Now, as always, with any of our clearance markdowns and our penny list, please keep in mind that your miles may vary. And that means that one store might be doing one thing, and then you go 5 minutes down the road, and that store might be doing something totally different. And I have the perfect example for you guys, because this year at one of the stores in my area, they have been manually adjusting swim and summer and lawn and garden items down to 70% off for about a month now. So just keep that in mind that some stores may go ahead and do their own thing. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into our penny list, shall we? But first, please keep in mind that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. These items are actually supposed to be pulled from the sales floor before Tuesday. However, the employees are so busy, a lot of times that doesn't happen. So what you need to do is watch the video all the way through. Go into your local Dollar General store on Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday. You guys can look for these penny items for weeks into the future. If you spot one of these items, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, because like I said, your miles may vary. If you scan the item and the price shows up at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Now, if you want to take a look at the penny shopping policy, I have posted that over on the community tab for you guys. Alright guys, now like I said, this is going to be a huge week for penny shopping because we have hundreds of items joining our penny list. First up, we have the Memorial Day flowers going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, September the 5th. And I've already scoped out a few stores, and I'm finding these things everywhere. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. I found a clearance section, and they had like 20 up on the top shelf. So Next up, we have our select baby items, also going down to a penny starting on Tuesday, September the 5th. And I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Tara and Linda for sending me in some amazing pictures. Thank you guys so, so much. Here we have the burp and bib set. And as you guys can see, here's the little display box. We have different characters, so be on the lookout for those. We also have a picture of the Disney Princess water bottle. So that is right here. And again, they could have different characters on them. All right. Next up, we have the pacifier set. Again, be on the lookout for different characters. Here's one with Minnie Mouse on it. We also have another pacifier set. So be on the lookout. There's two different ones. And then last but not least, we don't have a picture of this one, but it is a teething ring bracelet. All right. Next up, we have our purple dot home items going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, and this is a huge category of items. Now, for this category, I uploaded a video last week with a ton of visuals, so make sure that you go and check that out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. We have a lot of hidden clearance items in this category, so I wanted to point out just a couple. Here we have these super value multi-purpose washcloths. These are the 18 count. Make sure that you scan them. I'm sorry, I don't have the UPC code for you all, but scan, scan, scan. Also, make sure that you're checking out those Comfort Bay shower curtains, because we do have some of those included as well, along with hangers, baskets, storage containers, all kinds of goodies. One last thing that I wanted to mention, we have these Sterilite dish drainers. This is an 11-piece. UPC code is on your screen. This does not have a purple dot on it anywhere. So again, look high, look low, check back in that kitchen section, and hopefully we're going to pick some of these up on Tuesday for a penny. All right, now next up, we have some food items. We have the Kit Kat Duo Bars going down to a penny on Tuesday. We also have the Ghirardelli Premium Baking Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. We have the Russell Stover Pecan Delight in Milk Chocolate 5.4 ounce bags. We have the Flips Clusters Bars, and these are really good, just so you know. We also have the Warheads Ooze Chews. Now, I'm not quite sure about this one, but if you've got kids, they'll probably eat it. Next up, we have the Clover Valley Homestyle Baked Beans 28 ounce cans. We also have the Good and Smart 7 Super Fruit Juice 32 fluid ounces. We also have the All Sport Elite Singles to Go Lemon Twist Drink Mix. We have the Real Lime 100% Lime Juice 15 fluid ounces. We also have the Captain Crunch Chocolate Caramel Crunch Breakfast Cereal. We also have the Warheads Mini Worms, so those will go right along with those Ooze Chews. We have the Swanson's Chicken Broth, 14.5 ounces. And then we also have the Bush's Country Style Baked Beans 16 ounce cans. All right, guys, so there you have it. Like I said, we have hundreds of items to look for starting on Tuesday, so this is going to be a really good week for penny shopping, and I wish each and every one of y'all really, really good luck, all right? Now, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because you never know. We may have some surprise pennies pop up. Who knows? Make sure that you stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.